In this video, I will show you how to remove profile picture on TikTok. So here's the updated method to change or remove TikTok account profile picture. So right now I'm on my Android phone. You can follow the same steps on your iPhone. Go ahead and launch the TikTok app on your mobile and then go to your TikTok profile page. Once you are in your TikTok profile, now just tap on edit profile. And here I'm tapping on change photo. And here, as you can see, I can take a photo to change my TikTok account profile photo, or I can upload a photo from my gallery, or I can view my TikTok profile photo by tapping here. So here is no option to remove your TikTok profile photo. So now I'll show you a little tricks to change or remove your TikTok profile photo. To do that, you can tap on this camera icon and tap on take photo. And now all you have to need, you can capture a dark photo like this. So I'm going to capturing a dark photo first. And once you successfully captured a dark photo, just save the dark photo as your TikTok profile picture. And this was the first tricks to remove your TikTok profile photo. And now the second trick is you can use a default profile picture photo to your TikTok account to make your TikTok account profile picture list. To do that, go to your browser and search for TikTok default profile picture and search for it and select image. And here you will find TikTok profile default picture. So all you have to need, go ahead and download any photo from here. Once the photo downloaded, now go to your TikTok app. Again, go to your profile, tap on edit profile, tap on change photo, tap on select from gallery. And now all you have to need, just select the photo that you just downloaded and tap on confirm, tap on save. And once the photo uploaded, here as you can see, this photo completely looks like TikTok. Your TikTok account doesn't have any profile photo. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.